What's going on, guys? We're out here today going to put a new clutch in Lance's Ram 3500. We got a valair dual disc. We're out here in the new shop, going to break it in. As you can see, it ain't even finished yet. Here's the clutch. Took it apart, just inspecting everything before we put it in. Got the front end setting up on boards just for a little extra clearance. So I'm gonna set you guys up over here on tripod and we'll get busy. So next we're going to pull this linkage off and we'll get this thing unbolted from the transmission, get the sensor unplugged. We'll be ready to drop the transfer case, and then we'll have to get a jack under this transmission and remove this cross member. It looks like we're going to have to do a little clearance in on his new exhaust.
Alright, let's take her off.
He put this 5-inch turbo back.
That's the whole point of the clamp being left loose.
Big old turbski.
Wow, that's loud.
Well, we got the trans out, just unbolted the clutch, and I'd say she's pretty well smoked.
Nah, bud, 12 billion miles. been hot, just a time or two.
It's pretty bad when she slips downhill. Alright guys, so this dual mass flywheel here, you can see how nice that is. Alright, we got the new clutch in. Everything's torqued down, ready to go. Got the new throwout bearing in. They do make you take a washer off that ball that the that lever rides on to get enough clearance. So now we've got to reposition this jack and we'll go in with the transmission. And we also put in a new slave cylinder and master cylinder too. Alright guys, we got the transmission strapped to the jack, ready to go back in there. Hopefully we got the clutch lined up good enough for it to go. Alright guys, got the transfer case back in, we're getting it tight. We're gonna get it jacked back up, get the cross member in, get the harness hooked back up, shift linkage hooked back up, be ready for both drive shafts and exhaust.
Oh, it took 12 hours.
Alright guys, we finally finished up about 11 o'clock. We're all back in, getting ready to take her for a ride.